There's a strange feeling happening across companies right now. AI is everywhere. You hear about it in every meeting, every conference keynote, every newsletter. Leaders are asking teams to leverage AI. Tools are being rolled out. Budgets are shifting. And yet, if you look at how most product teams actually operate, the day looks roughly the same. Same stand up at 9 a.m., same backlog grooming on Tuesdays, same planning meeting at the start of the sprint, same QA cycle before the release, same post launch review that mostly confirms what everyone already knew. The tools changed, the workflow didn't. That's the problem. Most people treat AI as a faster assistant. You ask it to write something, it writes it. You ask it to summarize something, and it summarizes it. You ask it to review code, and it reviews it. You get the same output you would have gotten before, just faster and with less effort. That's genuinely useful, but it's not the revolution people are expecting. The real shift isn't about individual tasks moving faster. It's that entire workflows can be redesigned from the ground up. Let me give you a concrete example. Before AI, if a product team wanted to test a new feature concept, they'd need to write a brief, get alignment, put it in the backlog, wait for design to create mock-ups, get developer estimates, build a prototype or a staging version, recruit users, run the test, analyze results, and present back. That process might take 4 to 6 weeks. Now imagine collapsing that. A product manager describes a feature in plain language. A working prototype is generated in hours. The prototype gets shown to 5 users the same afternoon. Feedback comes back. AI summarizes the themes. The team decides whether to kill it, keep it, or change it by end of week. Same goal, completely different shape of work. Here's what that example reveals. I didn't just make tasks faster, it moved the bottleneck. The old bottleneck was execution. Building took time. Building was expensive. Building required coordination across roles, systems, and schedules. So you had to be careful about what you committed to because mistakes were costly. The new bottleneck is judgment. When you can generate a prototype in a day, the question shifts from, can we build this, to what should we build? When you can produce 10 concepts before lunch, the constraint isn't creation, it's knowing which concept to pursue. When AI can analyze 100 customer interviews overnight, the hard part isn't gathering the signal, it's deciding what the signal means and what to do about it. The teams that are pulling ahead in this era aren't the ones using the most AI tools. They're the ones who recognize that AI didn't just speed up their existing process. It made parts of that process obsolete. So here's the practical question. When was the last time you looked at your team's workflow and asked, if we were designing this today, would we still do it this way? Most stand-ups exist because teams need a daily coordination mechanism. But if AI is summarizing progress, flagging blockers, and automatically keeping context up to date, what is the stand-up actually for? Most planning meetings exist because estimating effort was hard and coordination was complex. But if AI can generate a prototype that anyone can react to, do you still need 3 meetings before you start? Most status updates exist because getting accurate information requires manual effort. But if AI is connecting your tools and synthesizing what's going on, what are you reporting that wasn't already available? I'm not saying eliminate everything. I'm saying the shape of work is changing, and the teams that figure that out first will be operating on a completely different level. The winners in this era won't be the teams with the most AI subscriptions. They'll be the teams who ask the uncomfortable question, which parts of how we work should no longer exist? That's the real opportunity in front of you. Not better tools, a better workflow.